Hi, everybody. Mark here at Gilbo Realty. Now, I told you I was going to go back to Glenview Country Club and do a drive-through of that area for you. This is it. Got the drive-through going down and back in the parking lot along the road. We also went into Sunbury neighborhood, which has beautiful, beautiful houses in it. And they also have townhomes, little carriage houses, they call them. They're a beautiful place. Now, these carriage houses, from what I heard, have their own HOA fee. Everything's taken care of on the outside. Beautiful place right outside the country club. I just love it. And also, I found out that Taco Tuesday in Glenview Country Club is obviously on Tuesday. $2 tacos, can't beat that. So take a look at this. It's a drive-through with some nice music. No houses today, but I want you to see just how beautiful, how much class the older neighborhoods have in the villages that the newer sections right now just are not touching. So take a look, enjoy, have fun, post down below. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon.
I wish I could see the future, I wish I could see what's left. I know there must be an answer, or am I wasting what is left? And there is such thing as a vision of a story I'd like to live. But when you're stuck inside a prison, you never know how long to give. To think in negatives, I don't like to think too much. No need for any sedatives, but sometimes I feel messed up. I like to think in positives, and that always seems enough. But there's far too much to think of when you're laying on your own. Yeah, there's far too much to think of when you're laying. To think about, and there's not that much 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 to think about, and there's I'll keep saying it round and round. I'll keep saying it. I wish I could see the future, I wish I could see what's left. I know there must be an answer, or am I wasting what is left? And there is such thing as a vision of a story I'd like to live. But when you're stuck inside a prison, you never know how long to give. I once had a dream. I was standing upon a hill. Oh, I had a dream of you and I. We stood by the sea, rolling and powerful. I took the deepest breath. I was alive. Oh, true love of mine, I can no longer hold it. The calling of the wild, the calling of the wild within. Oh, true love, you are my every desire. Once had a dream. I saw a beacon upon a hill, the distant light of a funeral pyre. And there in the flames, I watched my tower fall. I died the deepest death, only to find new life. Oh, true love of mine, I can no longer hold it. The calling of the wild, the calling of the wild within. Oh, true love, you are my every desire. Ooh. Heard a song, a voice from the depths of time. I heard your song, and now I call it mine. Oh, true love of mine, I can no longer hold it. The calling of the wild, the calling of the wild. Oh, true love, you are my every desire. Looking at old photographs, feeling things I wish were true, like incandescent bottle light, and wishful tears you never knew. Oh, who were we before we had to ask that question and know the very one that splits the atoms? Every living human soul, and we look at the open door like a mirror. The open door like a mirror. The open door like a mirror.